Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about XRP news updates and talk about Ripple's major acquisitions, big moves with XRP Ledger. We'll look at some bold price prediction and a lot of things that happened through these days. So stay till the end because all this news is going to give a new momentum about XRP. So let's start with Ripple accelerating the integration of XRPL and the XRP Ledger into broader financial systems. What this actually means is Ripple is doubling down on the utility side of things. So they want XRPL to be the go-on infrastructure for tokenizing real-world assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. XRPL already supports fast and cheap transactions. We're talking about fractions of a penny and seconds per transfer. The integration is about making that capability plug and play for institutions. So, if successful, it will drive adoption from banks, fintechs, and even governments. There are more entities building on XRPL. The more use XRP has a native token, the more huge it will become. Because unlike many altcoins, XRP's use case goes beyond trading. It becomes a part of real-world finance. Another thing we have is now let's talk about the $1.25 billion bombshell. Ripple have acquired Hidden Road, a multi-asset prime brokerage firm. For those who don't know, Hidden Road offers institutional clients seamless access to global markets, crypto, forex, and more, with tight spreads and deep liquidity. This acquisition is Ripple's way of stepping into the world of institutional trading. Here's why this matters. It bridges the gap between traditional finance and crypto. Ripple now owns an infrastructure that can cater to hedge funds, asset managers, large financial players who need regulated, reliable routes into digital assets. This adds a new layer to Ripple's business, not just selling XRP as a remittance solution, but building the pipelines for institutions to trade all sorts of assets, possibly even using XRPL as a settlement layer. This deal signals confidence. Ripple is betting big on futures on the chain finance. And let's be real, spending $1.25 billion for a SEC lawsuit victory, that's some serious flex. And finally, XRP technologies are showing signs of potential breakout against Bitcoin, possibly up to 50% if patterns from 2024 repeat. Analysts are pointing to similarities and some similarities in RSI levels and consolidation patterns. While nothing is guaranteed, it shows renewed market interest in XRP. This kind of setup usually comes before a big run, especially when combined with catalysts like institutional expansion growth, clearer regulation after Ripple's partial court win, and broader market recovery. If XRP starts gaining serious ground versus Bitcoin, it could signal a rotation where investors start moving capital from Bitcoin into altcoins, and especially XRP. With its growing utility and institutional backing, it's poisoned well for the kind of narrative. So Ripple is pushing XRPL deeper into finance, buying up a major player in prime brokerage, and XRP might be ready to move versus Bitcoin. Things are heating up really fast. So let me know in the comments, do you think this XRP is time to shine again? If you haven't yet, drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye guys.